think every country come from Africa. I also want to break a world record.
You make solar panels.
Yeah, simple thing.
Okay. So guys, right now I am in Battambang, Cambodia, and I'm at this lovely, lovely restaurant. Her family's restaurant. What is the restaurant called?
Boost Coffee.
Yeah, so guys, if you are ever in Battambang, Cambodia, come here to this lovely, lovely restaurant and support them. Let's get into this. What's your name?
I'm Sally.
You're Sally. And how old are you, Sally?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Do you guys hear how great her English is just by speaking like that? I came here earlier today and I asked your mom if I can do an interview with you because you're 10 years old. So I need to ask Mama if it's possible, yes?
Okay.
And Mom said yes, so that's why we're having this interview. But I wanted to talk about why is your English so good?
Because I study with foreigner and speak, and I communicate with online people,
Ah, is that what you do?
Yeah.
Nice.
And watching Young Sheldon.
This is young Sheldon, guys. She's so smart. And so you feel like watching like American TV shows is helping you with your English?
Yes.
Yes? What do you like about young Sheldon? Is it young Sheldon or little Sheldon?
Young Sheldon.
Young Sheldon, okay. So young Sheldon. What do you like about young Sheldon?
Because he's too genius.
He's too genius, okay?
Yeah. I mean, like, he's genius and he have a lot of idea. He's creative.
I love creativity, yeah? Are you creative? A little bit? What do you like to create? What do you create?
Solar panel.
Solar panels?
Yeah.
What?
No, the small one, about this big.
You make solar panels?
Yeah, simple thing.
How do you do that?
First, you need a cardboard, cut the Coca-Cola, and then we put on the cardboard both sides. So if you want to plug your phone without using the electricity, you can cut it, and there's two sides, connect it to the metal, so then you can plug it with the sun.
My mind is blown. So, seriously, when I ask you about creativity, I'm thinking maybe you're like, yeah, I like to draw. This girl is talking about I make solar panels. Amazing. Wow, can you show me one day?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Do you guys want to see her make a solar panel? I just learned something new. I never knew how to do that.
That's so easy, I mean.
Wow, you're teaching me something new.
What am I teaching you?
You're teaching me how to so I can charge my phone if I make this solar panel?
Yeah.
How long my phone gonna take to charge it?
I don't know. If the sun is too hot, your phone just takes an hour, so it's full. I don't know.
So you use this on your phone?
Yeah, sometimes.
And it works?
Yeah, it works.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my, okay, so that is one very creative thing that you do. What other creativity skills you have?
I have a lot. I forget.
I forget. Okay, so you like to watch Young Sheldon. You like to make solar panels. You also like to walk up to foreigners while they come for eating, and you just take my order. That's why, guys, I came to this restaurant and I stayed because of this girl. I came and I was like, I'm gonna look at the menu. And she said, won't you come inside? Aren't you hot? It's AC in here. I said, yeah, okay. And she said, have a seat. I'm like, no, I'm okay. She said, just rest for a moment. I said, okay, yeah, you're right. And then I'm asking her, like, what is the best thing on the menu? And what did you say? When I asked you for the first time what's on the menu, what did you say?
I don't know.
You don't remember? You said foreigners always asking me that.
Yeah.
What else? What other questions are foreigners always asking you?
They always ask, can you recommend me what food is the best? So what do you like the most, or something like that? And they usually ask me, where am I come from? And I'm from Cambodia.
So are you really shocked and surprised when they ask you that? Because you're in Cambodia and they ask you, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm shocked.
Lucky. Y'all, the dog just scared me. Wow. Sally, I'm really impressed. That's why I want to share. So what are some things like that you want to share with other young 10-year-old girls around the world? Because they're going to see. You're 10 years old in Cambodia and you're studying, you're very smart, you're very sweet, you're very kind. So if you want to, this dog, y'all. if you could tell another 10-year-old girl something who's looking at you right now and saying, oh my God, Sally, her English is so good, she's so creative, she's so, what do you want to tell them if they like are shy to talk to foreigners, or they're shy to speak English, right? Because there are a lot of people who want to speak English, but they're shy. But you just came right up to me and started talking to me. Why are you not shy?
I don't know, because I do a lot of presentation at school and
What kind of presentations do you do?
about science and sometimes history, a lot, I mean.
What's your favorite presentation that you've given?
History, but my friend hates history the most.
Really? Who's your friend? Give your friend a shout out so they can see. No, it's okay. You don't have to shout your friend out who doesn't like history. But I don't like history either, actually. Give us a history lesson. What did you tell them about history?
I think I know a little bit about history because I'm in 5th grade, so they don't teach much about history. They just teach a little bit, so when you have tests, you can do it like each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Black people came from Africa.
Yes.
But they were taken from their country in Africa, and they were forced to come to America by force. And then they had to work and do things that they didn't want to because white people wanted them to do that and made them do that, even though they didn't want to do that.
Yeah.
So, and a lot of people died. Yeah.
Why? So, like,
Yeah, because you know how like when people steal like your phone and they steal your money? White people stole black people from their country.
oh, really?
Yeah, that's really hard to think about, yeah? So history, if you want to learn something, guys, slavery in America was a huge thing. Black people in America during slavery had to work, but you didn't get paid. Yeah, so it's very sad. And that's history, and that's actually what helped make America so great. If you didn't know that, because black people were working for free.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so because they were working for free, they didn't have to pay out money, so the white people were keeping this money, and that's what built America.
Really? So, I think every country comes from Africa.
Yes.
Because Africa is the one country that make up in the world.
Ooh,
And
baby, yes. You know your stuff. Yes. She knows her stuff. Yes. So learn more about slavery in America.
Yes.
I think because you like history, and that's such a huge history. You think about America, you think about just everything so amazing and so glorious, but it wasn't always that way. And it's still actually not. But I think you'll learn something really, really interesting about that. We all have different skin colors, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm black and I love it.
I'm saying.
Yeah, I love it. So, but you were curious. You were just like, how are you black? I don't know, actually. It's melanin. There's the sun hitting me. I don't know the science, but you like science.
Yeah.
So maybe you find out and you tell me.
You know, people that wearing a lot of chemical that cause a lot of skin problem and skin cancer.
Yeah.
So naturally it's good.
Naturally, we're good. Yes?
Yeah.
Sally said it first, y'all. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to end this so I can finish my food, guys. And I don't know if Sally has to get in bed, but this is an amazing interview. I'm so happy to have you.